what is the impact of digital technology in the education sector?
So digital technologies enabled learners to have more access to a wider range of resources. It also enables us as schools to engage with stakeholders more successfully through cloud-based services like Progresso for real-time reporting and regular data access.
Perfect, thank you. And why did you choose to partner with Advanced?
Advanced offered Progresso, which was I consider to be a market leader in terms of having that access through web-based portal and enabling us to get the data to the user much more easily and much more quickly.
Perfect, thank you very much. And what has the impact of our solution been on learner centricity?
So we try and put the learner at the heart of everything that we do as schools, and this really does enable us to share that data with parents, with staff, so that they can pick up and provide early intervention if there's any concerns, but also to support the progress of learners really quickly and easily.
Thank you. And finally, how has moving to the cloud been a benefit to you?
It means that there is more security in terms of not having to rely on our servers in our school, backing up the data and ensuring that everything's safe and secure. That's taken on by Advanced so that we can ensure that our data is safe, secure and available whenever we need it.
Perfect, and that is a wrap. Thank you very much.